All right, it's Wesley with Expandacraft here again, and we're with Brittany here. Brittany is a yoga instructor, and she's going to do yoga on her Expandacraft. This is her new Expandacraft, and she just now learned how to take it apart and put it together. We're going to show you the easy and proper way to take the Expandacraft apart. Now, we've shown you how to put it together many times, but I don't think we've ever shown you how to take it apart. We've got a little cushion in her hand, and she's going to place it underneath the hull, and that's underneath the center section, but behind where the connection is. And she's just going to take a foot and pump. Slides it right apart. Ta and da. It's that simple. Brittany, did you think it was going to be difficult?
No, super
Do
simple.
one more for me.
Sure.
All right. So she takes the other one. Like I say, you slick up the joints with Armor All. There's a commercial for Armor All. You put the put the cushion under so that the bow part is sticking up, and then just simply step on it. Once it gets past that point, it's real easy just to push apart. And ta and da.
Here we go.
All right, you're gonna have some fun on this thing doing yoga?
I am super excited.
Awesome. Well, thank you for showing, and hopefully that will help some of my folks who are beating and banging their Expandacraft with hammers when they don't really need to.
Awesome.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Expandacraft.com. Come and see us.